believe that the AI of Bharat or Indian AI will be created by deeply technical founders. So, one of the things that we saw repeatedly over the last 2 years is that traditionally company building in everywhere in the world, but in India particularly, used to happen like this. There used to be business CEO founders like us who would find a great tech co-founder to con into our idea, and then we would start building something to working backward from a problem and a use case. The new AI companies that are being built everywhere in the world, and I'm starting to see this happen in India, and that's our entire thesis, are actually being built technology forward, where it's actually two nerds or techies who are hacking away using the latest, Claude bot or Bolt or latest Claude release, without necessarily knowing which problem they are going to solve. As they're tinkering and hacking away, they end up building something that is extremely interesting and unique, economically viable, and then they marry it with a particular. A lot of optimism, and there's going to be a lot of optimism in the 5 days to come. I'm gonna do a 30-second of reality check if you let me. Of course. Because everybody is building AI agents. I saw everybody's hands go up. I think the reality, and as much as I agree with Akshit about technical founders, and I think everybody's becoming technical now. I have CAs in my company who are saying that मैंने cloud पे code किया है, या फिर मैंने ये लवी पत्र बना दिया 10 seconds back. You think of yourself as a researcher. I think they're all kind of gravitating in that zone. But as this country is of excess, whether it be of access to be on the stage, whether it be access to be in this room, whether it be access to be in this space.
Oh, access. I thought
access. ACCESS. इंग्लिश में अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ, but access बड़ा जरूरी है succeed करने के लिए. So while I think great products will be built, while I think a lot of technical capabilities will be, I think we should not discount the fact that go to market or how will you reach your customers. I think that will always be very, very important. Just a small example from our journey. We tried to build a lot of AI agents in the last 12 months. Nothing stuck. We get about 10,000 small SMEs across Africa, South Asia, Middle East. And these SMEs then essentially go and do like education consulting, credit, housing, all of those things that you're talking about, and they do it via us. Maybe kind of want to supply. And nothing stuck. But the moment we essentially integrated it on top of WhatsApp, things started to fly out very, very quickly. So I think, yes, we want to be a sovereign AI nation. I agree with everybody's sentiment here and the room. People are building their own AIs. I think it will not hurt us if we borrow what is already out there, if we work with these large corporations,